Now you guys have all the things related to your camera equipment, your audio equipment. Now it comes to shooting. Now shooting is extremely important, and there's some framing tips which I would like to say in this video. The first framing tip which I would like to say is the center framing. So there is a term in photography and videography called the rule of thirds. Rule of thirds is super simple. Say for example you're dividing the entire screen into grids just like this, and I am in the center of the grid, and preferably my eyes are in this line of the first horizontal line or above the first horizontal line. This is the most soothing way to talk in a YouTube video, and for any kind of interview videos or any kind of professional videos where someone is talking. There are other framing methods too which I'll say later, but this is the most used one and perhaps the most popular one as well. So recapitulating, so the center framing is the most common one. Make sure to divide it into grids just like this. Your camera, your mobile phone always has one grid. Make sure to turn that feature on. Once you turn that feature of the grid on, make sure to position yourself in the center and make sure to position your face at least in the first horizontal line, or at least above the first horizontal line. I mean the eyes. The eyes should be parallel to the first horizontal line or above the first horizontal line. That is the most soothing way to make YouTube videos, and perhaps looks a lot good than most of the other ones out there. However, there are some other good ones also for explainer videos which I'll say later.